Meta has just released Llama 4, its newest set of AI models. These models now power the Meta AI assistant on the web, WhatsApp, Messenger, and Instagram. There are two models available now. Llama 4 Scout, a small model that fits on a single NVIDIA H100 GPU. Llama 4 Maverick, a bigger model that's similar to GPT-4o and Google Gemini 2.0 Flash. Meta is also working on an even larger model called Llama 4 Behemoth, which it says will be the most powerful base AI model ever made. It's not ready yet, Meta says. Scout has a very large memory and performs better than similar models from Google and others, even though it runs on just one GPU. Scout is small but beats Google's Gemma 3 and Mistral 3.1 in tests. Maverick also beats or matches top models like GPT-4o and Gemini 2.0 Flash encoding and reasoning tasks while using fewer resources, but uses less computing power. Behemoth will be even stronger, with 288 billion active parts, called parameters, and a total of 2 trillion. Meta says it will beat GPT-4.5 and Claude Sonnet 3.7 in science and math tasks. Scout and Maverick are available now on llama.com and Hugging Face. Meta AI, in WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, now uses Llama 4 in 40 countries, but advanced features, like image-video understanding, are only in the US for now. The Llama 4 models use a new technique called Mixture of Experts, which saves computing power by only using the parts of the model needed for a specific task. Meta sped up development after Chinese AI company DeepSeek released models that matched or beat Meta's older Llama models. Meta reportedly studied how DeepSeek made its AI cheaper to run. Although Meta calls Llama 4 open source, some people disagree. That's because big companies, with over 700 million monthly users, must ask Meta for permission to use it, which some say makes it not truly open source. EU users and companies can't use Llama 4 due to strict AI laws. Meta will talk more about its AI plans at its LlamaCon event on 29 April. Meta's new AI models are powerful but come with restrictions. While they claim to beat rivals, not everyone can use them freely. Do tell us what you think about this video in the comments section, and for more AI news updates subscribe to Aaj Tak AI.